U.Future
Cel'Uzophiwa if awufuna ukucela sizokuvima 10 uqaqa ulwimi uyakhala kodwa uceli uyazinisha medadlala kuthi asenze ujing simisile negang like uzip if awuceli asikunika if awufuna ukucela sizokuvima 10 uqaqa ulwimi uyakhala kodwa uceli uyazinisha medadlala kuthi asenze ujing simisile negang like uzip if awuceli
Cel'Uzophiwa scientifically Leli beat yakhona ungabambi zonke iways khona zifuna uthatha pha physically except rap ikhandani andiyazi kodwa kukhambani carrying dolls niggas na ball sack call my son ABs
Bra, hoitel, call me one, showcase, the pass bra, gonna make you changes. Whoa bra, that's fucking me playing for BS.
Where's Kati for the rough gaze? Where's Kati for the rough gaze? Cel'Uzophiwa yichufuna ndosi counting my divas futhi namandombi. Too many bitches screaming for the boy Unga matswele and his color off Pola papa pola nanu ngawari xa fika thini medi yakho we took it We be stepping on them bitches akhala kaloku manenga nacela ungazithusi Cel'Uzophiwa ungathathi ngengane zimazi zandiva xa kuthetha inkunzi Ngaske ngahleka enantoni uthetha ndikholwa kuyeza my brother you feel me Talk about rags, talk about business xa ufuna i-feature kumele ubhatale intake no else ngishusho ke hit mseyeni ubaxa uCel'Uzophiwa Take it the courier about to deliver Do no favor but bitches Mandela Pop on bitch boyazi neqola qale neqola bangoku neqola
Cel'Uzophiwa for sure uzonikwa wonke amaqala andibiza ngontsika came a long way my standards are bigger Cel'Uzophiwa for sure anzokuvimba fehe nefehe for sure ndizegcina kwana nebeat ndicela ndephiwa with my dog jonga siqale segqiba came a long way but nazo zikunika got a lot of things esibona sempita thathi made the dog mshiye espita got a big body title so bigger with the shots nigga going down deeper shake the right boy abanuntisa with the gang just bafakela insiba with the rap game lekufaka zokufihla with the rap game sepheka sicima isitofu safuta for sure asicima isitofu safuta for sure asicima
Cel'Uzophiwa if awufuna ukucela sizokuvima 10 uqaqa ulwimi uyakhala kodwa uceli uyazinisha medadlala kuthi asenze ujing simisile negang like uzip if awuceli asikunika if awufuna ukucela sizokuvima 10 uqaqa ulwimi uyakhala kodwa uceli uyazinisha medadlala kuthi asenze ujing simisile negang like uzip if awuceli Uthi uyashaya kanjani nzomgaya Cini iyavula ndayivala ndaqhaga Bamba nesandla waphapha nzomqwaba Qale ngorhatya sayivala kumnyama Udla amaqanda mnanqina ngenyama Lungisa amanzi yanqani noncane Uza amanqini namabhani nobhani Yinokukutya kuphila nambanga Pull up niggas afika ndosithula Cel'Uzophiwa ukuva nzigubha Thula sifuna xaxana zishunya Nkwazi nosibamba siyansina zosithula Tatla majit konde pakipini Prova fast kuba uthi ba weak Uthi secela ndike anikisi Show them honesty xa sifuna amapini Baby no pain, it's only to steal But they miss, they kumula me No fence in this melody, ndedwa alini
Cel'Uzophiwa steppers cala imali phethe umzeva zona siphethe ingane baby zesibawa thina siphusha isipani vele ngayiqala mbuye ngiqoshe iqala dlala isinona ngathi mdlala istriker epi niggas be defending the shit qala zakhala sabuya ngoyiqwela hit after hit steppers leg owenza skraft akumana moves the business is moving my niggas be looting better iheni ndispine igush Cel'Uzophiwa otherwise uvinje tikwa kuyifihla epi and king and niggas them thief cause we are their kings tic-tac tic-toc sawina dlala izaza epi zalini what of the day uCel'Uzophiwa word of the day uCel'Uzophiwa
Hey, if I would tell my nigga yazinisha If uyacela phasi zokuvima Ngazinisha nice time If uyashaya ngalamdana acela phasi zokunika 9AK ngizosithola outside Stay no bitches not abantwana Uyafikisa uthatha cela brawa thina sokugaya Cel'Uzophiwa nale wish icela sayiqhekeza manje zibhishi Khuphe izintwana zithi sicela ibhiza Sifuni uxolo sifuna impilo Khule bitch ndifuna iphila Ndike ndikobe ndiqheke zisika Brawa is back with darkness Rapping like I got no sense Lona sifuna beef, that's nonsense Bajay till I show you get it Now is back with darkness Rapping like I got no sense Lona sifuna beef, that's nonsense Bajay till I show you get it Lona sifuna beef, that's nonsense Bajay till I show you get it Tenu kakulwim uyakhala kodwa uceli uyazinisha